Hey everyone, it's Hannah here and welcome back to another squishy review package. I am so excited because today I have a brand new Super Squeeze Re-Mint Squishy package, and this one is the Trending Sweets series. Here are all the squishies and I hope that we have all 11. I got it from the store. Let's go and open this package up. Alright, so I got it open and I'm really sad because the package only came with 10 squishy packages, so that means I might be missing one squishy. I'm so happy. The first one I got is the stripe, which is one of my favorites in this sweets package. I think this is like one of the most aesthetic squishies. So the next one I got is this heart bread. Personally, I'm not really a fan of this design. So the next one is the s'more squishy. And this is so soft. I'm also not really a big fan of this design. We have this blueberry cheesecake muffin. Super slow rising and super cute. And look at that detailing on the top. Next we have the chocolate mini tart. And it's sort of like a teal cupcake. This one is super soft as well. And then we have the Galaxy cupcake. Honestly guys, Galaxy designs are not my favorite, but this one is really pretty in real life. So I got one of my favorite designs in this Super Squeeze Re-Mint package, and it's the rainbow cake. I thought this would be pink, but it's actually purple. So I got the pink cake as well, and I'm really happy because this one is also one of my favorite designs, and oh my gosh, that is very slow rising. Guys, this is so pretty. It's the cheesecake Re-Mint design. And look at that leaf on top. And last but not the least, I believe we got the chocolate roll cake. That's my guess. I don't think we got the mystery one. And I actually don't really know what the mystery one looks like, guys. So message me if you guys have it or if you have a picture of it, because I'm really curious to know the mystery one. And yep, I was right. We got the chocolate cake roll. Alright, so this one I think is also a cute design. It's a cat cake roll. So that is all for this squishy package. That is everything. I am so happy with all the squishies. This is just one of my dream squishy packages and squishy wish lists. So I'm really thankful that I was able to get my hands on them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I love you guys so much. As always, keep creating. Bye guys!